our channel. And in today's video, we'll be making some oven baked pork chops, Jamaican style. If you want to see how we do that, please stay tuned and watch this video. Now that the pork chop is freshly washed, I'm gonna add some dry seasoning to it, which I'm also gonna add some green season to it. But we're gonna season it first with some dry season, and the seasonings we're gonna use are some black pepper, ground black pepper, parsley flakes, garlic powder, ground ginger, Jamaican jerk seasoning, all purpose, and some jerk seasoning. You can use also what the other one name? Walker's or jerk seasoning, yeah. Firstly, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of ground pepper. Now we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. One tablespoon of Jamaican jerk season, all-purpose Jamaican jerk season, all-purpose season. The seasoner with the pimento seed, with the crushed pepper, that one here. I really love using it. Basically, use it in everything when I cook. I'm gonna add ½ tablespoon of ground ginger. Okay. And we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of the jerk season. Now I'm gonna massage that in. We don't need no salt. If you wanna add salt, you add salt, but I don't normally use salt when I use all this season. And I'm doing this overnight so I can cook it tomorrow for my Sunday dinner. We're gonna cook it tomorrow for our Sunday dinner. Gonna let it marinate. I'm doing it now so it can marinate for tomorrow. I want it well soaked, isn't it? Now that this is nicely rubbed in, now we're gonna blend our green seasoning to add to these lovely pork chops. These are the seasons that we're gonna use in our blend. Some green onion, scallion, celery, fresh thyme, a pepper, and onion. So this is the green seasoning, and now we're gonna add it. You can go ahead and cook it right away, but it tastes way better when you leave it overnight or a couple of hours. And this is 8 pork chops. This is nicely seasoned. I'm going to put it in the fridge for tomorrow use. First, we're going to add some oil to the pot. I'm going to add our pork chop to the hot oil to smear it or give it some color. And no, we're not going to cook it in this pot. We're just giving it some color and then we're going to put it in the oven. Now we're going to flip. Now we're going to let it brown on that side too. We're going to add this to the baking pan that we're going to bake it in. Now we're going to fry the rest of the pork chops. We're just giving them a little color and then we're going to oven bake them. I'm going to put them in the oven. You can skip this option if you want, but it's good to do this part. These are nicely brown or smeared. We're going to add some butter on top of them. I'm going to add some butter on that one. About half teaspoon of butter on each chops. And we're going to do this because we don't want them to be dry. We want them to be juicy when they finish in the oven. Okay. We preheat our oven to 375 degrees and we're gonna add our pork chops for 6 minutes and 30 seconds to bake. I'm gonna put that on the lowest shelf. 6.5 minutes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Look at this. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Look at it, guys. Looking juicy. Look at this one. Looking juicy. Well brown. Look at this one. So tenderized. See? Well juicy. And well cooked. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at the colors. Oh my goodness. So this is how I do my oven baked pork chops, Jamaican style. Right, please do Thanks for watching. Like, share, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in our next video.